Hello
guys. So today we're gonna unbox my labubu.
And I'm gonna open the Monster Sanrio characters. They collabed with Sanrio. So yeah, we're gonna open it. Reem, open yours.
Okay.
Yours has shut up.
I want all actually. Except the guy with brown hair. Okay, I'm gonna open it.
I showed them the characters.
Right.
Bro. No, the characters. Show them. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, bro.
Thank you.
Open it. Let's see what's inside.
Wish me luck.
Wish me luck. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Did you wish for the pink one?
I don't know what you wanted, bro. Would I know what you wanted? What the box are, bro?
Oh no, I think I got the ugly bug.
I can't get it out. Get it out. Oh.
I got born. Oh my god, but she's so cute.
She looks ugly.
She's so
Take it out.
cute.
Take it out.
She's cute. I like her bob. She's like,
yeah. Okay, guys.
it comes in a cute pouch.
It looks so cute and funny and stupid looking.
How dare you call my labubu stupid?
Okay, sorry. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be opening this one, the Monster X Sanrio characters. Hopefully, I get cinnamon roll. You cannot see cinnamon roll. Look at the cinnamon roll. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna open it.
Open it, bro.
Okay.
This is not yours. This is mine.
I don't care. It's mine now.
Nah.
Why can't I open it properly?
Be careful.
Can you open it?
We don't know anything here.
Just take it out like this, bro. No one
Oh, okay, good.
Oh, it's
Okay,
pink.
it's pink.
It's pink.
It's pink, guys.
It's pink.
It's pink, guys.
Is it what I think it is? Is it what I think it is?
It's my melody.
Oh my god, give it to me!
This is the one Reem wanted. Reem wanted this one. I wanted cinnamon roll.
I have so many my melodies.
What is it?
What is that? I don't know. Papa saw
My
it and he was like,
rebel.
let's buy this. This looks so cool because it has hair. Labubu has hair.
I said that.
You never said anything like that.
Yeah, I said, oh, it has hair. I've been seeing it around a lot. Bubbles. She's so cute.
Reem. Let's do. Today I don't feel like doing anything.
Reasons to get a bob.
Yeah.
We can
Okay.
even take it
Bye,
off.
guys. See you
Bye.
next week on Disney
Bye.
Channel.